Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077181, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy these, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. And once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service somewhere over here. And then make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Once this is done, go back to Windows settings, click on Windows Update and then click on, if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, open now use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181. Click on search and then type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command, check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2, and then check your system type. So go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and then over here you will see KB5077181. Click on it and then you can install this update. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, install the update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.